finally got our room key. I'm just telling them that it's 3:38 and we finally got our room key. Check-in is at 3 o'clock. And we came here and told them that we're here from what time? 2 or 1:30? Yeah, after 1. But 1:12, 1:15. It's now 3:40. Oh yeah, and yeah, we're left to find the room on our own. We got some directions. Turn right and go to the elevator and then go up to the 3rd floor. So let's just hope that we don't get lost. Hello.
I want to get somebody to carry the room for the first time.
Yeah, and then they show you the room and how the switches work and carry your luggage. But not this trip.
This trip was hard.
But to be honest, this hotel seems just let them go. Just wait till them go till them reach. Sorry. Don't press the button yet.
Yeah. We just have to find a way, you know?
But so far this place seems crowded. I don't like it. But maybe tomorrow is different. This looks like a situation where we're gonna have to get up early for breakfast, early for lunch, before things run out, because today's lunch wasn't good at all. No plates, just dessert plates.
Well, I did see the place, but they have some conspicuous location.
That's what I mean.
Just hide.
What's 301 is 1301 is in the room? 1303.
Yeah.
So 1301 this way. 1301 to 1317 is this way.
1303. Thank you.
So we can follow direction.
Where no ocean from? Ocean
You don't even reach it.
Ocean view.
If you pay for it, it have to be there. You can't take up the ocean. So before we get into the rest of the video, I just want to come on and give you guys a drop of Jesus. Today's verse is from Psalms 59 verse 16. It says, "But I will sing of your power. Yes, I will sing aloud of your mercy in the morning. For you have been my defense and refuge in the day of my trouble." Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to our hotel room. Alright, so when you come in, you have this as a space here, and over here, you see they have the mini bar. Up here, they give you Smirnoff, different alcohol, but we're not going to drink them because we're not alcoholics. You get 2 big bottles of water, coffee, tea, 2 glass, and I use this for ice.
Yeah.
And the fridge down here. You know, these were milk.
Yeah, I thought so too. So they have water.
Box.
Yeah.
Box water. Wow. It's beer again, red stripe, and that one. Name Presidente Light. Sodas.
You're looking forward to your nuggets, don't you?
Well, I was thinking about it, but now that we're at a different hotel and there's no snack, it's kind of let down. Need to add a snack. Anyways, moving on. Let's go over here to the bathroom, and we have a shower over here. We get body wash and conditioner. I was hoping to see some lotion. I don't know, it's like when you go one hotel and then give you something, when you go to the next hotel, it's just like a letdown when they do have it.
Yeah.
Because why they do have lotion? Anyways, over here we have hair dryer, towels, kind of like when we see white towels. I don't know why they have pink or...
Burgundy? A burgundy that? What color that?
It's giving this color like a mix between purple pink.
Yeah, we don't. Well, I personally don't like when it's not white because I don't know if it's dirty or not. So you want, when you go to a hotel, you want to have white
towels to be able to wash your face with.
Yeah.
So you know, say clean because white show everything. But maybe them actually use this color because they don't want to show up no stain, which is bad.
Yeah, that's not good.
But anyways, we have a double sink. His and hers. What's my fish over the bathroom? We'll log in. Oh, and the toilet over here.
Directly behind the door.
In the toilet, scratch up. Which I didn't like. It kind of creeped me up when I first saw it.
Yeah, I was actually looking at it too, you know, like, what's going on?
Why it even scratch up?
Like somebody else.
Like
a shit stone.
Oh boy. I must have been a bit of a feeling. Probably the tool. But the tool is normally
Is that a brush?
yeah, the brush is normally just bristles, so I don't know why it's
Me I look, if you see me I look in there, I say, oh, I go on here. Like somebody stealing it. But that's not the case, guys. Alright, so you get your standard closet. There's a iron board and iron down there. Yeah, pretty standard. And then your safe is over there.
iron board looks tattered and torn though. Yeah, it's our
Yeah, look like somebody ironed the cloth on the board. Oh, holy nice.
but I use that still.
Yeah.
Application will come. Do I get a drawers.
Nothing special.
Side lights.
Leave the lights on, please. Yes. Good
Leave this
light.
light on?
Yeah, leave the lights on.
Okay. Side lights. Here is nice mirror over here. So you can see your full body. They have all the sprinklers.
Water sprinkler.
Sprinkler and
Fire detection and water sprinkler. This is tile on top of the... A tile is? No. Look like laminate.
Okay. And then we have our bed, which we told them that it's king size before we come. And then when they come, we have to check again and then tell us a double bed. And then we have to check, we have to tell him to make sure it's a king bed and him saying we have to check if it's available. But it's anniversary on the reservation. Why would I want to double bed?
I'm not gonna beat them for that, to be honest, because you know, people do make mistakes on that part.
They requested before. Huh?
Yeah, but I'm not kill them for that. What what is a big letdown for me is
Yeah, you should turn on all the lights.
all of the light them is the TV. First of all, the TV damage.
Yeah.
It don't have internet.
And then here, so.
Them only have a must 7 channel up on it at work.
Look like somebody look here and just also lines going across.
Yeah. And then it
And then it actually it doesn't have good quality. Okay.
No, but the thing is, it's 7 channel alone, but it at work. We just check it a while ago.
7 channels, so you check all of these?
Oh, me press this something. Go
they
one
have
full
much
cycle.
buttons to press, so they provide us with a guide.
Them then I work.
So you tired of me?
Me run through all of the channel them since me come. Appear black screen me I get. There's no internet. You would think that it is a smart TV, but it's not.
Sometimes when you you scroll through, you know, maybe you're not on the,
You know.
when you type it come up.
Okay.
But still,
Go to HBO there.
HBO 047.
Okay, I guess them working, but when they skip it just appear black. Let me see. But anyways, them have on dumb TV.
It doesn't meet standard.
It's not very good.
Normally, you're supposed to connect to the internet. Even a simple TV where you buy from the Indian shop.
Hello, even our local TV where we have. Could
Exactly, that was from the Indian shop. Like $70,000.
can access the internet.
But anyways, what's next? Oh, we get this.
Yeah. I'm thinking that it should have been a bed at the foot of the bed, but them don't have enough space. Yeah, but them don't have enough space, so that's why them put it on that wall. Because that would have been turned this way, against the bed.
Makes sense.
Right? That would have been turned against the bed, and then.
Okay. I'm wondering if this is the special gift that they gave us for anniversary or because they said something special would be in here.
Yeah, well, I appreciate them gift. Thank you. Let us go down. So here's the thing now, with when you're designing. Now I'm speaking from a design perspective. You don't want to. This is not okay for me. You don't want to ever have a change in a level like this. It's not. It's not. If you get up in the night, yeah, that can cause a problem. But anyways.
Or if you're drunk.
And then down here now, this is counterproductive. Like, the TV there up there, so.
Can it be tilted?
Let me check. Check.
I doubt it.
Can it be tilted? So you have to sit down there and watch the TV up here. Which, yeah, I don't necessarily like it. I better than they put the TV on that.
So you don't watch TV in a bed?
Yeah, but them could have turned the TV when. No. But even if you have to sit down there, so now you have to look for one nice picture on the wall. Just reminiscing. But I mean, I asked the girl about it. I asked the worker about the TV. She said, "I will tell you know."
Oh, so like if you go outside?
No. She probably means say, "Hey, now I get a bunch channel for the TV, smart TV." Cause I will tell you. Oh, you own this now. No, there's a bolt. Very sophisticated.
But the sign here says, "Do not put on noise outside. For security reasons, please be careful to close the balcony door during the night and before leaving your room." Anyways, did we tell them about the sofa and everything?
Yeah, the sofa look dingy.
Table. It's probably a cloth.
No, it look like mold upon it. You know all that.
Yeah, it looks.
All that.
Yeah, it is mold.
It is mold.
It needs to be cleaned properly.
Yeah, it looks like mold. It is mold.
Yep. So we won't be sitting on the couch. So then look on the couch and say,
But it feels wet.
because in here it's cold all the time, the AC.
No matter that. That now not really. You're not supposed to wet.
AC and water vapor.
Anyways, we go out onto the balcony. We were told there was ocean view. That's the ocean over there. Have a look around. Look to the left.
Ocean.
For the ocean. Right. That's what the property is looking like.
On the right, parking lot.
On the left, you get an ocean view. Nice ocean view. You know, with a palm tree in the way. But you can see the ocean. I can appreciate that. necessarily like the idea of the whole situation I go on. Let's just go back inside. I forgot to ask them about that.